You guys want to know what it looks like to stay in a room on the 67th floor of the Cosmopolitan? You know what? Instead of telling you, why not just show you? Cue the intro. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Real Bruno 3 coming to you with a room tour video. Today I'm going to be touring the Boulevard Tower Terrace Studio Phone View Room. I am on the 67th floor, room 6798. So let's go and check it out. So when you first walk in, get some nice artwork on the wall. Then you have your case of fire instructions on the back of the door. You have your first light switch here. It's going to say hello with all the lights on. Relax makes it dim. And good night turns all the lights off. And we walk further. We got the bathroom. When you come down to your left, you have dual vanities, his and hers, in case both of you need to get ready at the same time. Also got a vanity mirror right here. Light switches for the bathroom. Got some plug outlets in here also. Behind this door, you have your toilet. So a separate toilet room. It's pretty cool. You have your nice soaking tub with the jets. And then you have a nice walk-in shower, really spacious. And you can also take a seat in there at the bench if you want to. Nice artwork on the wall, like frosted glass almost. When you come back out, no more artwork on the wall. And right here you have full-length mirror, in case you need to see yourself before you going out. All right. Then you coming into the room, get a studio area. So you have a sitting chair right here. Then you got a nice sectional couch, a couple tables. Then you have the chair sitting in, desk area with plenty of plugs. And we come over this way. You have a nice, huge Samsung Smart TV. And more outlets and plugs. More artwork right here above the mini bar. And here is the mini bar in question. Buy at your own risk. There is weighted and it's censored. And it's timed. So if you take anything from it, they will charge you for it. And here is the mini bar fridge. It's like same as the one up there. They will charge your card for it if you take it. Then you have the room iPad that you control the room with. Control the room controls, guest services, control the lights and the temperature. Also has your name on it, which is pretty cool. Got an ice bucket. And right here you have a in-room refrigerator, which is awesome to have, especially in Vegas, to get your own drinks and everything. Then you come into the bedroom part. You have your nice king-size bed. Get your a nice firm mattress, get you a good night's sleep. You have a bench right here to sit on in case you need to put your shoes on, anything. Right here, you got the room phone and a lamp. Control the lights right here also. Also, if you like to read like I do, and you don't have all the lights on, reading light right here. Same thing on the other side. So you do have your closet right here. You got robes. closet. And then in this one, you have another closet. This is where the safe is. It has the slippers and the iron board. Another TV right here in the bedroom. So if you have two different people, you want to watch something different, you can. And finally, what everybody was waiting to see, the balcony. And because this is a falling view, I'm on 67th floor, so I have a great view. So come out here, you have a chair, nice little chair sitting in a little coffee table. Then a little couch out here, and you have an ashtray for everybody that smokes. And here's the view at the Cosmo from the 67th floor. You can see Planet Hollywood. You got Paris, Bally's. You got Flamingo. You got Link, Terrace, Venetian, Palazzo, Wynn Encore, Resorts World, Treasure Island, Trump, Mirage, Treasure Island, Caesars, and right next door is Bellagio. Then you got a nice view of the I-15 freeway in Rio and Palms Place. And the best view right above the Bellagio fountain. Alright, so that was a quick review of the Fountain View Terrace Studio Room here at the Cosmo. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to comment, subscribe. Tell me guys what you think. Thanks.